ali minisita yamba abanyayuganda abantu kuba oyambira abantu bonna.
All in all, Honorable Minister, what we are requesting is the gospel that you always spread. That no eviction of Mayanja holders, because these people have nowhere to go.
Did you steal that land? Or you are not aware of what you are doing when you go to this town?
I was not aware of what I was doing when I was going to plant it.
So what's your legal status on the land?
On the land, as a kibanja holder, and you know,
then you are a kibanja holder, you are not a titled holder. You are like any of these people here. So BBC ensure that Malik is arrested.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.